as you guys might know, a couple of months ago I was on this broadcast and I said that the market was going to move much higher. Again, I just don't want anybody, and I know there was a lot of hits on this and a lot of people disagreed, which is fine. But the reason why I seen what is happening now, and we are approaching almost all-time highs, is that the market in the past always shrugged off the bad news. Okay, it always did. In the last 2 or 3 years, this market's been creeping higher and higher with a lot of negativity in the market, foreign affairs, our own affairs, but the market keeps on moving higher. So what I've been doing is you just have to keep that noise away from the market. I understand there's negativity all over the United States and abroad, but the market is telling us something different. And if you can see here, the market since 09 is in a straight line up. Now it's breaking out here and it's almost trading at 08 levels. To me, this type of technical pattern tells me that this market is going to be reaching all-time highs pretty soon. So I don't know what the market is actually telling us maybe what's ahead of us might be better times, or maybe we're just bottoming out and ready to move higher. The news is telling us this market should be down in 2,000 or 3,000 points. I don't follow news. My business is following the market, and the market looks like it's going higher, and I believe we'll be at new highs probably by the end of this year or maybe before that. And even with the United States election, I personally don't think the market cares. The market is going higher. So everything looks good. Construction looks good. Home builders look good. Internet stocks are starting to perk up. Medical stocks are looking good. So,
but the job statistic isn't good.
The job statistics is not that good yet. Okay, but maybe with all this QE3 coming into the market, and maybe with home prices appreciating, 401k appreciating, maybe that's going to give the consumer, which I think it will be, a good boost to start spending again. And once that spending comes back into the market, don't forget there's a lot of money on the sidelines here. Mutual funds got to start getting involved. They got to start investing. Keeping the money in the bank at 0.0001% is not going to make it. So, again, to me, this looks like this market's heading into new highs within the next year. And if you do your homework and pick the right stocks, you'll do well.
So what stocks should I pick?
Well, I mean, there's a lot of stocks here that are coming from the bottoms, but there are also some stocks that are at 1 or 2 year highs. I like the home building stocks. I mean, everybody's talking about housing. Look at some of these home building stocks. They're trading at 4 or 5 year highs already. So it looks like that might be a bottom in one area. Medical stocks are looking very good also. We got this healthcare crisis going on, but in the meantime, medical and biotech stocks are looking very good. And the internet's starting to look pretty good too. Maybe some stocks are beaten up now, and they're starting to make their upturn. Maybe Facebook is something that you should look at. I mean, Facebook, very bad IPO, started at 38, went to 45, now it's in the low 20s, but it looks like that's starting to perk up. It just looks like money's starting to come back into this market, and the market looks like it's going to start trading at all-time highs.